How to change the passcode of My Eyes Only in Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can change the passcode of My Eyes Only in Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you need to access to your memories. From here, you need to tap on that icon and it will bring you here. You need to scroll to the right where you will find My Eyes Only, and here you can enter your passcode. But if you remember your passcode, you can change to a new one. But if you forget, there is also an option. All you need to do is to tap on option here. The first one is change passcode. If you remember your current one, you need to select that one. In my case, I already forget my passcode, so I will tap on forgot passcode. For this, you need to enter your Snapchat account password here. So I will enter the password. So guys, once you enter the password, need to tap on next. It will bring you here. Once you are here, the most important thing to understand here, they say when you forget your passcode, you can no longer access My Eyes Only. If you would like to create a new passcode, you will lose everything currently saved to My Eyes Only. So this is only for when you forget your passcode. If you remember your current passcode and you want to change it, that will not affect it because you remember the current passcode. But here is the case is different because I forget that one. So you need to say, I understand that a new passcode will delete all snaps in My Eyes Only. And then you need to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they say create new passcode. So you need to select a passcode here. So I will select a 4-digit passcode. So guys, once you enter the passcode, they say confirm the passcode. So you need to enter again the passcode. And here, as you can see, I selected this passcode and they say you need to tap on here that I understand it. If I forget this passcode, Snapchat won't be able to recover my passcode or my snaps in My Eyes Only. So you need to just tap on continue. So once you do that, it will appear here. The setup is complete. And now you can tap on finish. And now you can enter your new passcode to access My Eyes Only. So guys, this is all it takes to change the passcode of My Eyes Only in Snapchat. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.